Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to install an application in Android TV, that is MI Android TV. Right, in my previous video I have shown you how to install the App Store. So this is called Aptoide. I have already installed it. Open that and search for an application. So I'm gonna do Chrome installation. I will just search here. Basically I'm using the default remote and it's difficult. You can connect a wireless keyboard. Also you can try with a mouse. The app where you can use your mobile as a keyboard. Alright, let's select the first one. That's the default Chrome from Google. And there are some notifications. It says that it requires Google service and it requires a mouse. Alright, so Google service you can ignore for now, but without mouse it's difficult to use. But anyway, I'm gonna install right now. To use it, you really need to have a mouse. Okay, it's in progress. Take some time. And you have plenty of other applications, but one thing you should note here is this may not be a trusted source of apps. So whatever you're going to do is you understand the risk of installing apps from this app store. Oops, some internet connectivity issue. Yeah, it came back. You'll have plenty of applications. Yeah, it has downloaded and that it is asking for me to install it. So just say install. Yep, it's installed now. Go back and go to the browser, app browser. So you can see here the last item, that's Chrome. Just open it. Yeah, it's opening and I'm accepting the terms and conditions. Let me search something. A keyboard would be very handy here, but I'm using the default keyboard, the mouse. There you go. The problem with this is you need a mouse, so you cannot point and click here with the default mouse. So either you can go with a wireless mouse or you can use your mobile app to control the mouse actions. So that's